Hey guys, what's up? It's Tech Drift with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I want to show you how you can download PUBG on your iOS device. Let's go ahead and go into the App Store and let's search up PUBG. And let's go into and download PUBG Mobile. So we can go ahead and search up PUBG. Okay, it says 9 minutes. I don't have slow internet. I don't know what's going on, but it's it's almost 4 gigs to download, so it's gonna take a while. So yeah, it's 4 gigs. It will take me 9 minutes. I really have slow connection, so that is how you would download PUBG. I hope you guys like this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel.